Because there's those compressors that you went out to buy because they're like the latest, greatest, newest thing. And what about the article that maybe you saw that said, well, you need this type of compressor for this sort of processing. This type goes on your drum bus, and this type's best for vocals, and this one's really good for gluing. And then what about the compressors that came in bundles? Talked about Native Instruments. Bought a bundle of theirs, complete maybe, got several compressors in it. What about FabFilter? What about Isotope? So maybe you got compressors in there. And what about the ones that come in your DAW? I mean, let's think about Ableton. Off the top of my head, you've got the standard compressor that's got multiple types of compression algorithms in it. Then you've got the glue compressor. What about the multiband compressor? What about the transient shaper in the drum bus? That's a compressor. Wow, that's 4 off the top of my head there straight away. And then what about all the freebies or the cheapies or the things that were on a deal or the waves buy 3 for $20 or whatever they're up to? Maybe you do have 20 compressors you didn't even know about. And if you don't know how to use one of them properly, how on earth are you going to figure all 20 out? And so then when you're faced with using these things, first you've got to choose which one. Then you're going to realize you don't know what you're doing. You're not going to get the results you want. Are you more or less likely to go back in the studio? Less, right? Of course. That is overwhelm, and that's because there are too many choices in this instance.